Okay, we're walking the lot again. Just had this one mowed. Checking it out. Got a lot of water in this ditch. Looking for a sweet spot where I can jump over. There we go. Nope, got some water. Okay, came out here the other day to try to walk it, but it's too grown up. So came out here, they mowed it with a tractor, knocked it down a little bit, so can kind of get in there and see. So this property's got railroad access, which I'm not even sure if they use those railroad tracks anymore, but they're still there. And then it goes back to the bay and waterfront, so I don't know if we're gonna get to see all that. I think it gets pretty swampy back in the end there, but just gonna take a glance around. Haven't put it on the market yet, haven't put the for sale sign. It's just kind of dressing it up a little bit, make it a little more accessible for a potential buyer that could at least come back here and walk it a little bit if that's what they wanted to do. So it's got highway frontage at the front, and like I said, railroad access and water access if need be. So this is kind of a smaller 3-acre tract in the middle of some bigger tracts. So, you know, I don't know what somebody would want to do with it. You know, come up with ideas and somebody will come in and do something completely different. So so that's why I don't do a whole lot to it. I'm just gonna mow it, maybe do a survey, and put a for sale sign, and that's about it, I think. Like I said, it's got highway access, frontage, so put a big sign up there. Hopefully somebody driving by or something like that will scoop it up and get their attention. So anyway, there's a shipyard over there. I don't know if you can see it, but right over there, that's like boats and shipyards and stuff like that. You can see where it got mowed. I think it's already kind of getting wet, but there's a railroad runs all along there. But past the railroad tracks there, it gets kind of swampy, is what the tractor mowing guy said when he got, I think, even the front side of the railroad tracks. So anyway, looks better than it did, I think, and got some mowing done. And this is an old road here, so it's kind of interesting, but all along those bushes there, you know, if we were to walk up on there, you'd see blacktop, asphalt, old road. And at one time I had talked to somebody that said, you know, that's legal access, so, you know, you could use that as access. You know, there's some other tracts of property that I had the opportunity to buy next to it, but and that would have been access for those, but I just really decided not to even pursue that. So anyway, there it is, walking the lot. Good solid piece of property, vacant land, nothing on it. I don't think there's ever been anything on it, and just came out here to check it out, get some drone pictures taken, listing photos taken, and turn it over to the real estate agent and let him work his magic, see what kind of interest we get on it. Okay, that's it for now. Appreciate it.